MAC HVAC Service and Repair in Kutztown, Pennsylvania provides residential and commercial customers with heating and air conditioning repair, installation, and maintenance services. We also service furnaces, air handlers, air purifiers, humidifiers, thermostats, and ductless air conditioners. We offer free installation quotes on all brands of heating and cooling systems, including Lennox, Carrier, Trane, Goodman, and others, as a local family-owned and run HVAC contractor. Call our 24-hour HVAC repair service for immediate assistance. Are you looking for a HVAC repair near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair. Why is ducting installation so important? Appropriate ductwork provides several advantages. As a result, your HVAC system will last longer and you will save money on electricity. Second, less dust, allergies, and pathogens will be in the air. How much are home HVAC units? When it comes to replacing your HVAC system, the cost of the unit itself typically ranges from $4,850 to $9,400. What is your service area for the Kutztown, Pennsylvania service office? Our local HVAC repair services have served Kutztown, Kempton, Albany, Lenhartsville, Edenburg, Hamburg, Berne, Krumsville, New Smithville, Lyons, Dryville, Fredericksville, Topton, Mertztown, Maxatawny, Moselem Springs, Kirbyville, Evansville, Walnuttown, Pennsylvania. Where is your Kutztown, Pennsylvania HVAC repair service office located? We are located at 15260 Kutztown Road number 113, Kutztown, Pennsylvania 19530. Our phone number is 610-672-3053. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Kutztown-Road-Kutztown-HVAC-Service.